I'm going to burp and fart in class, ha 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 ha.
Okay class, today we are doing reading.
Here comes the burp fart.
Holy crap, who just burped and farted? That is so disgusting.
Yuck, that is so bad.
That is not cool, that is so disgusting and gross.
Alright, which one of you guys Brit farted?
Hey, Mr. Bullhoffner, I know who that is. It was girl Jordan.
Boy Jordan.
Nuh, it wasn't me. I will never burp fart in class. Girl Jordan, it was actually you. Mr. Bullhoffner, it was girl Jordan.
Girl Jordan, we know it was you. That's it, go to the principal's office now.
So girl Jordan, what brings you here, into my office?
I burped farted in class.
Girl Jordan, we do not burp fart a class. You know that is disgusting. That's it, you are suspended. Get out now.
Oh, girl Jordan, how dare you burp fart in class? You know that is too much disgusting. That's it, you're grounded for 456 weeks. Go to your room now.
The end.